gonna see if the clutch works.
Alright, so welcome back guys to another video. We have been working on this for 3 days now. And we're gonna see if this works. We're gonna try to test this thing. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna see if the clutch works.
How are we gonna do that? You're gonna push the what pedal and the what pedal?
The clutch pedal.
The clutch pedal and?
The brake pedal.
And the brake pedal. So, okay. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna grab the torque wrench. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put pressure on the crank. And he's gonna go in the car and push on the brake. And when I say clutch, you push on clutch. Okay? So basically what I want to do is get the rear wheels locked up. I think we're still in gear. We should still be in gear. Alright, we're still in gear. That would have defeated the whole purpose. Okay. So he's going to push on the brake pedal. You on the brake?
Yeah, I'm on the brake.
Alright, he's on the brake. And then I'm pulling. Clutch. Alright, so we released. We'll do that again.
Okay.
On the brake. On the brake.
I'm on brake.
Are you on the clutch too?
Not pressing on the clutch.
Release the clutch.
I wasn't on the clutch.
Okay, push on the brake. Hard, hard, hard. Push really hard.
Pushing really hard.
Clutch. Alright, so now we release. So I think we at least have it to a point now where it's releasing. And we're going to go with that because I'm sick of working on it.
Huh, that's a pretty good camera. Should I swallow it and see what it does?
You can swallow. What's up, motherfuckers? No, push the ejectocito, cuz.
Okay.
That's clutch all the way in?
Sure is.
Really?
Yep.
Release? What in the goat shit? Alright guys, so I'm not gonna lie, the last couple days I've been working on this. This is my 3rd day working on this. Like after work I come home, work on it, and like the first day I was trying to do it completely by myself. That didn't work, and then I eventually had like my wife and my son helping me to like push the pedal and stuff. And I couldn't tell if it was just that I was not bleeding it properly or if it's just not moving far enough. So I tried a whole bunch of different methods and actually went and bought a tool. I bought the Mighty Vac. Mighty Vac is just a vacuum bleeder tool. And I know there's like a bunch of different other ways you can do it, but just decided to buy that because it would probably be the easiest, and I was a little frustrated and just wanted simplicity and something that I know would work, and I wasn't going to be questioning if it was the method. So got that thing, and I don't really have an issue buying tools, like spending money on tools. If it's something I feel like I can get use out of or I can use down the road, I consider that like an investment, not just something I'm spending money on. So not really that big of a deal. I did use it. I tried a bunch of different methods, guys. I tried vacuum bleeding from the master cylinder reservoir, vacuum bleeding from the bleeder. I even went as far as filling up a water bottle with brake fluid, hanging the bleeder down underneath the car, and then vacuum bleeding it completely from the top until I had a full reservoir. And then after it was full, I still left it at like 25 inches of vacuum for like another half an hour after that, and it was still pulling some bubbles out. So basically like went from a completely empty system to sucking the fluid completely out from the bottom out of a bottle underneath and completely vacuum bled the whole thing. That didn't work. Tried pressure bleeding it. So I used this little rig here. I used the top of a bottle of Synchro Mesh and wrapped it in tape until it fit snug inside the master reservoir. And that thing was in there pretty tight, and it would hold like 25 PSI. So I tried pressure bleeding the cylinder, so tried just everything. I tried a whole bunch of stuff and like pumped it 1,000 times, bazillion times, and I could get it to a certain point where it was actuating the same distance. I didn't feel like it was strong enough though. So that's when I went into the testing the crank with the brakes and like put it in gear, turn the crank, see if the wheels turn, put the brake on, push the clutch in, turn the crank, and see if it would actually turn the engine but not spin the wheels. So that's pretty much where we're at right now. You saw the video. If you guys are T56 slave cylinder experts and have an idea of how much that thing is supposed to travel and it's just not traveling far enough, let me know. I'm curious. I'm willing to maybe change the master cylinder if it's just not enough pressure and actuating it far enough. It is releasing, so I do feel like it will move around now, but I'm willing to change more later. I just don't want to waste another 2-3 days on it, and I can focus on actually getting the thing running and drive it through a wall or something, whatever. I mean, that'll probably be entertaining anyways. I am like covered in brake fluid. I had this junk all over the place. Surprised my hands haven't fallen off yet. I squirted it in my eye, got it on my face. I'm like, just done. So we're gonna work on wiring, something that I actually enjoy, and see if we can get it to make like loud popping fart noises and stuff.